Hi, I'm Nancy Schick, attorney, mediator, and conflict resolution coach in New York City. My goal is to keep you out of court and build your conflict resolution skills. Something that some of you may not know about me is that I also am the diversity trainer for a local college here in New York City. And so this video is of course about the Title IX changes, and this is for you if you're an administrator. I do work with some very small schools that maybe don't have the resources that the college I work with do. So this is in particular for the smaller colleges where maybe you don't have enough people in your administration to designate one Title IX coordinator, one chief diversity officer, one trainer, et cetera. Sometimes they're all one and the same. Now, if you're not aware of this, the changes that occurred on August 14th, 2020, now require a three-panel investigation. So a three-person panel, right? And so if you're in that situation, you may need to start right away, if you haven't already, interviewing some outside investigators to support you if you do get a Title IX complaint. This is, if you're in New York, this is also affecting you under 129B, the Enough is Enough law. So you want to look at how can you align your policies and procedures to also make it as simple as possible for your organization to stay in compliance and ultimately provide due process and a fair process, right? So distance learning has deprioritized Title IX and other diversity programs in a lot of ways. So that's another reason I wanted to do this particular series, because sexual assault and sexual harassment do still occur. We have cyber stalking, domestic or dating violence that may still occur and fall under these provisions that you're responsible for. So 3 tips for you. Don't panic or jump to conclusions when you get a complaint. Second, do a complete investigation, do it promptly, do it fairly, and with those multiple investigators. If you're not sure how to find those investigators, you can reach out to your general counsel. You can reach out to me. I'm happy to help guide you through this process because I'm working with a lot of different schools and different law firms to help get schools up to speed, as well as the school that I'm working with as we're going through the budget constraints and whether or not we'll be on campus. Me personally, and what we really need, it's still up in the air, and I'm sure a lot of you feel that way. So I just want you to know we feel you, and we have a lot of people out there that are ready to support you. So third, if you get that complaint, you want to conduct those live hearings as required. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, this is why I'm doing the video. You need to learn this stuff right away. Look it up, reach out to people, start with your general counsel if you have general counsel. If you have a separate legal office or a chief diversity officer, there should be some guidance there, but you may find that you are the chief diversity officer and the Title IX coordinator, and you're still trying to get up to speed on this, and that is why outside support is absolutely necessary. So I am still working on my online course to also help you through this. I know it's a lot of moving parts during a pandemic and it's very stressful, but hang in there. We have, again, a team of people around you. I am a huge collaborator and I will find you what you need, okay? So in the meantime, keep listening with your third ear for those hurts you can heal. And we want to do that in the complainant as well as the respondent, because that's how we guarantee due process. Have a great day.